Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites so nothing blocks progress. First, check the game build and your character meets level 30 with Stealth 40 and Dagger Proficiency 3. Once done, prepare essential gear, 10 lockpicks, a torch, and 1 stealth potion. These let you enter the night gate undetected. Make sure you know the map route to the night gate and set a waypoint. Act now, equip the dagger and stealth bonuses before approaching the gate to avoid early combat that ruins the only path. You move into the complex middle steps with deliberate timing and technique. At midnight, drink the stealth potion and crouch. Timing matters because patrol cycles reset every 90 seconds. Once hidden, follow the shadow path and use the silent lock sequence left 2, right 1, center 3 to avoid alarms. This sequence reduces noise and triggers the gate. Make sure to wait for patrols to pass before sprinting for cover, and if a guard spots you briefly, break line of sight and reapply stealth to continue toward the inner chamber. You finish by claiming the night blade and resolving problems if they occur. Once inside the inner chamber, approach and speak to the Shadekeeper to trigger the Only Way event and receive the night blade. Confirm the quest flag updates. If an alarm triggers, immediately use a smoke bomb, disappear into cover, and exit the area to reset patrols before trying again. If things still fail, check the in-game time window and reload the last autosave. This often restores the proper state, so the Only Way path works correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.